Hello!
Okay.
Everyone, we are here. Hi everyone, welcome back. We can't just believe that we are here in this place at this very moment. So we will be bringing you to our tour today. We are now at Gyeokbokgung Palace. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly. So sakay kami ng bus and it cost us 1,450 won. Kayo na po ang bahala mag-convert nun, depende kung nasan po kayo. And now, ito po yung Hanbok Town Premium Store. So initially, yung dresses nila is 35,000 without accessories, without bags, without hair. So ayun po, then naghanap po kami ng iba pang store and luckily may nahanap kaming alternative na store and this Ajuma here is very nice. She's very accommodating and this dress, since apat po kami, nagkaroon po kami ng discount. It cost us only for 25,000 won. Everyone, we are here. We are here. I only saw this in Korean movies. We are here. So ayun na nga, pagbigyan nyo na po ako kasi grabe yung excitement ko at this time. So itong hair pala is complimentary na binigay niya sa amin kasi nga hindi po yan kasama sa bayad ng rental, separate po yan. So itong headband is 3,000 and then the hair is free and then this blazer, I'm not sure the coat, will cost us 15,000 pero binigyan niya kami ng discount. So a total of 35,000 we paid. Isa-isa po yun.
To signal the end of the changing of the Royal Palace Guard ceremony.
It is very crowded and actually they were doing the ceremony ayun and may English translation naman para at least kung yung mga foreigners na nandito makaintindi ko anong nangyayari. And I suggest na if ever you're planning to visit Korea, wag kayong pumunta ng winter. I suggest spring or autumn. Dito nyo may enjoy at dito nyo talaga basta dito nyo ma-appreciate lahat-lahat kasi pag malamig kasi grabe yung struggle. And of course, ayan, tatakbo-takbo din tayo para ma-feel talaga natin kung ano yung pakiramdam yung sa dramas na tumatakbo sila. So, if ever, in Korea, all the tourist area or spots are very accessible by metro or by bus. So, ayun nga lang, ang challenge dito is kailangan mo talaga mag-navigate. You should have data, like unlimited data. Nakakuha ko ng unli data dun sa airport mismo for 7 days for only 30,000. It's very expensive kasi nga syempre airport. And after namin naglakad dun sa palace, like 2.5 hours, nag-stop by din kami sa 7-Eleven to grab some snack kasi po nakakapagod. And by the way, it is normal if you're a tourist to eat 2 times a day, breakfast and then your dinner. So ayun na nga. And in preparation, dito ko ipapakita kung ano yung suot ko kanina. So yan po, ilang layers na yan. So guys, if ever you're planning to come here, the cold here is not a joke. So don't try na hindi kayo magdadala kasi mabigat yung luggage. Wag nyo na po yung isipin. Isipin nyo yun later. Kasi struggle talaga yan. Hindi nyo may enjoy yung trip nyo kapag wala kayong thick clothes. So, ayun lang. And thank you for watching. See you again. So, this is my struggle here. I need to carry all this all the way to the next station because it's really, really, really